In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove item from cart on eBay. If you've added something to your eBay cart by mistake, changed your mind, or just want to clean up your cart before checking out, the good news is that removing an item is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're on the eBay website and signed into your account if needed. Once you're on the main eBay page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the cart icon there. This icon gives you access to the items you've saved for potential purchase. Go ahead and click the cart icon. After you click it, a small preview of your cart may appear. In that preview, look for the option that says View Cart. Click on View Cart to open the full cart page. This is important because the full cart page gives you a complete list of the items you currently have saved, along with the available actions for each one. Once you're on the cart page, find the item you want to remove. Under or near that product listing, you should see a Remove option. Click on Remove and the item will be taken out of your cart. That's all it takes. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a second to refresh. In some cases, eBay may briefly update the cart before the item disappears from the list. Also, if you have multiple similar items in your cart, take a moment to confirm you are removing the correct one before clicking. This can be especially helpful if you're comparing products, checking shipping costs, or narrowing down your final purchase. Keeping your cart organized makes checkout easier and helps avoid buying something you no longer want. If the item still appears after you click Remove, try refreshing the page manually and checking again. As long as the remove action goes through, the item should no longer be part of your cart. So, to recap in a simple way, click the cart icon in the top right corner, select View Cart, and then click Remove next to the item you no longer want. And that's how to remove an item from your cart on eBay.